Greetings, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the world of a true classic, the golden pothos. Native to Southeast Asia, it has a rich history as a popular houseplant due to its adaptability and beauty. The golden pothos is a plant that exudes elegance and simplicity. Its heart-shaped leaves display a lush, deep green hue streaked with golden variegation. This delightful combination of colors creates a striking contrast that adds a touch of sophistication to any indoor space. Caring for golden pothos is a rewarding experience. This low-maintenance plant thrives in various light conditions, from bright indirect light to low-light corners. It's an excellent choice for beginners and busy individuals as it's forgiving of occasional neglect. Water moderately, allowing the top inch of soil to dry between waterings. This adaptable plant can even tolerate occasional drying out. The golden pothos is a fantastic team player when it comes to companion planting. Its cascading vines make it an ideal partner for tall plants like snake plants or dracaenas. Together, they create an appealing vertical dynamic in your indoor garden. Additionally, grouping different types of pothos with varying leaf sizes can add depth and texture to your green space. Beyond its decorative appeal, the golden pothos offers various practical benefits. It's known for its air purifying qualities, helping to filter out common indoor pollutants. With its trailing vines, it's also an excellent candidate for hanging baskets or as a charming addition to shelves and windowsills. Thanks for joining us today and learning about this amazing plant. If you're interested in growing this plant or any others like it, visit our website, terra where you'll find a wide selection of beautiful plants, seeds, and many other things. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we have something for everyone.